Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? It's a huge question, and it gets even weirder when you really think about it. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has hundreds of billions of stars. And there are billions of other galaxies out there. Statistically, there should be countless planets capable of supporting life, and some of them should be billions of years older than Earth. So, if life is common, and some of it is ancient, where are all the aliens? This is the core of the Fermi Paradox, named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" Let's break down the numbers. Scientists estimate there could be as many as 40 billion Earth-sized planets in the habitable zones of sun-like stars and red dwarfs in our galaxy alone. If even a tiny fraction of those developed life, and an even tinier fraction developed intelligent life, the Milky Way should be teeming with civilizations. Some of these civilizations would have had a head start of millions, or even billions, of years. Imagine what humanity could achieve with another million years of technological progress. We'd likely be exploring the entire galaxy. So why don't we see any evidence of anyone else doing the same? No alien megastructures, no interstellar radio chatter, just ... silence. This silence is what's so puzzling and has led to some fascinating and sometimes terrifying potential explanations. One popular idea is the Great Filter. This theory suggests that there's some kind of universal barrier that is incredibly difficult for life to overcome. This filter could be behind us, or it could be ahead of us. If it's behind us, maybe the jump from non-living matter to life, or from single-celled organisms to complex life, is astronomically rare. In that case, we might be one of the first, or even the only, intelligent species in the galaxy. We won the cosmic lottery. But what if the Great Filter is ahead of us? That's a much scarier thought. It could mean that every advanced civilization eventually hits a wall. Maybe they destroy themselves through nuclear war, climate change, or an out-of-control AI. Or perhaps there's a natural threat, like a gamma-ray burst, that sterilizes entire regions of the galaxy. If this is true, it means we're heading towards a similar doom. The cosmic silence wouldn't be because we're alone, but because no one survives long enough to make their presence known on a galactic scale. Another, slightly less grim, possibility is that aliens are out there, but they're intentionally hiding from us. This is the zoo hypothesis. In this scenario, Earth is like a protected nature preserve. Advanced civilizations might be observing us from a distance, following a strict non-interference policy. Similar to the Prime Directive in Star Trek. They could be waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological or ethical maturity before making contact. Or maybe they just find us uninteresting. A more sobering thought is that we're simply not advanced enough to detect them. Imagine trying to explain the internet to someone from the Middle Ages. Their technology wouldn't even be able to recognize the signals. Alien communication might be happening all around us, using technology so advanced we can't even comprehend it. There's also the possibility that interstellar travel is just way harder than we think. Maybe the laws of physics make zipping between stars impractical for any civilization, no matter how advanced. They might be confined to their own star systems, sending out signals that simply degrade over the vast distances of space before they can ever reach us. So, the galaxy could be full of lonely islands of life, each one isolated and unaware of the others. The universe is a big place. And we've only been listening for a cosmic blink of an eye. The signals might be on their way, or we might just be looking in the wrong place or listening on the wrong frequency. So, what's the answer to the Fermi Paradox? Are we the first? Are we the last? Are we just a cosmic zoo exhibit? Or are we simply not listening correctly? The truth is, we don't know. But every new planet we discover, and every new signal we analyze brings us one step closer to potentially answering one of the most profound questions ever asked. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence isn't just about finding aliens. It's about understanding our own place in the cosmos. The silence of the universe is a mystery. And for now, it's a mystery that leaves us with more questions than answers. What do you think is the most likely solution? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.